Denver former President Donald Trump's lawyers argue that attempt to block it from 2024 ballot. Compass under rare, uprising, article Constitution should be rejected as a violation of freedom. Expression. Lawyers discussed in a file published by a Colorado court on Monday in one challenges Trump's candidacy within scope Civil War period. Capitol is based on attempts to overthrow his role. Petition holders claim that he had done anything other than refusing to talk or talk to the allegations that President Trump has ever dealt with the alleged uprisings. Blut said lawyer Geoffrey Blue wrote. Trump will also claim that substance is not valid him. Because the 14th change is not only for provoking any action, but uprising or rebellion. Blue wrote. The former president's lawyers also said that difficulty should be rejected because there is no candidate under the meaning of Colorado election law, where constitutional disputes are not intended to solve within scope of Colorado's anti-Slapp law, which protects people from lawsuits that harass them for behaviors protected by First Amendment. 14th change difficulties opened in more than one state to be discussed in open court will be first of difficulties. The day was opened late and sent by the court on Monday. Denver Regional Judge Sarah B. Wallace planned a hearing about the movement for October 13. A hearing on constitutional issues will take place on October 30. Regardless rules of Wallace. Issue is likely to reach U.S. Supreme Court, which did not hear a lawsuit on 14th Amendment approved in 1868, 3 years after end Civil War. The Colorado struggle stands out because it was opened for first time by an organization with important legal resources, in which case a liberal group called Responsibility and Ethical Citizens in Washington. He also made a challenge planned to be heard by the Supreme Court of State. Once upon a time, everyone who swore to support the Constitution, but later, uprising or rebellion, and engaged from the office. Trump's debate with freedom of speech reflects his defense in criminal cases that accuse him of his role in the January 6 attack. He argues that has already been rejected in dozens of case-challenging cases, but argues that he is trying to draw attention to what believes is an inappropriate choice. In these cases, prosecutors and some legal experts, Trump's crimes are beyond conversation. Congress can make him back to president of fake voters, such as trying to organize back-of actions. Criminal cases have already entered the 14th Amendment in Colorado.